Hey guys, it's me back again, and today we are doing what's in my model bag. And if you want to be a model, an aspiring model, you are a model just getting into it, any or all of the above, this is what you need in your model bag. And then also some suggestions that I personally keep with me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that needs to be in your model bag, we're gonna go head to toe. So your hair stuff. I keep a thing of ponytails. This is really easy. It's just a paracord, bracelet. I have like over 100 ponytails in my bag. A hairbrush, whether it's a soft paddle brush or a comb, whatever you need to do your hair, you need to have this. You can tame it last minute. If you're like me, most definitely need my edge comb and brush. If you go to any little Asian hair store, some beauty supply store, these are like $1, $2. And I personally just got into this. It's beeswax. I've always used gel and stuff, but my hair is so curly. When I put gel, it just curls back up. This does not happen like this. This works great. So I lay my edges and I slick my hair back with this. You guys can see that brand. Yeah, this is great. This was like $4 at a beauty supply store. And that kind of ties with that. If you're laying your edges or anything, a lot of times you get your hair done before you even walk because there's so many models that need to see the makeup and hair artist. I bring just a bandana or a scarf and I wrap my hair while I'm sitting around waiting until the show actually begins. Another thing, some bobby pins. They do not have to be gold. I just have gold and black just because sometimes if there's not really accessories that you're gonna wear, just a little hint of something. If it's okay with the designer, like you don't just show up with gold bobby pins in your hair. If it's okay with the designer, you can bring these. Next is deodorant. Please use deodorant every day. But on fashion show day, you need spray deodorant. This is the one I use. I'm pretty sure I just got this at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, somewhere quick, because I only use spray deodorant on fashion show day. Just because if you're putting on a nice garment or a gown or black, you can get deodorant all over it. It's gonna show. You can ruin the designer's garments. If it's something that needs like dry clean, you can't just wash it. So spray deodorant. Next. Let's go to the face. Vaseline. Vaseline is used for quite a few things in the fashion industry. I personally use it on my lips. See? It just gives it like a nice glow, like a glossy look without the stickiness. I've seen people use it on their skin whenever you want to be a little shiny. It's just, I'm very conservative with mine, so I don't use that much. I just take a little bit, put it on my lips. But you can also use this on your hair, your face, your lips, your skin, whatever you need. Just have some with you, okay? Speaking of skin still, we have lotion. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. This is not the one that I keep in my model bag. I just grabbed one for the video purposes, but a lotion, you need it. Common sense. Okay, this is a required for everybody. Nude nail polish. You see, I have my nails done all the time. They are pink right now. You cannot have pink nails in a fashion show unless, like, this show I have coming up most recently is a breast cancer fashion show. They might be okay with pink nails, but just for the professional standpoint, you don't want anything distracting that could take away from the garments, or you're getting your picture taken and that, like, it would draw the attention straight to your pink nails, orange nails, yellow, whatever you have. So keep a nude nail polish with you. This is for fashion shows and for photo shoots, like always. And sometimes you can keep red because it's just a classic color, but my go-to is nude. Always have nude with you. With makeup, I couldn't find my favorite mascara, so we're just gonna use this for purposes. Just a plain black, no clump mascara. It's really simple because a lot of times you'll be wearing lashes. And you usually provide your own lashes, so lashes. Keep lashes in your model bag. I don't have any that's not open right now, but I have lashes in my model bag. So lashes and a no clump mascara so you can seal them and blend your real lashes with it. Next, your foundation. Majority of the time, a fashion show already has a makeup artist for you, or for certain scenes, however they have it organized and worked out. That makeup artist is not going to have your perfect match. So you need to bring your perfect match yourself, okay? I think it's 370, yeah. Warm by Fenty Beauty. It matches perfectly. Like, I don't know if I have it on right now. This is my go-to foundation. This is the only foundation I use ever since it came out. It's my favorite. Make sure you guys have your foundation. Next, we have a razor. This is so simple, but so important. I also sometimes carry Nair, depending what bag I take. Like if it's a big fashion show, I take a mini suitcase with me. If it's not, it's just like a fashion show, I'm only in one scene, I take an oversized book bag or a duffel bag. So you're either Nair or a razor you need. Like, you need to be able to run in the bathroom and like shave your armpits, shave your legs, your bikini area, whatever area needs a little touch up, you need to be ready. So this is easy, and I'm pretty sure I got a pack of 6 of these for $1 from Walmart. I love Walmart. It's easy, okay? Emergency tampons. Emergency tampons. These are just little small, just in case. Have them just in case, you feel me? Because a lot of females keep them, whatever they need, panty liners, napkins, tampons, pads, in your purse. But I usually don't carry a purse at a fashion show because there's just so many people around. I don't want to lose it, get it stolen, leave it laying anywhere. I only keep my model bag with me, so tampons need to be in there, or whatever product you use, like your feminine hygiene products, have them ready. So to your body, every female has their own insecurities about your body, areas you want to conceal. So you need whatever shapewear, undergarments, tummy tuck, concealers, thigh stockings, whatever you wear or prefer to wear, you need to bring that with you. This is just a waist trainer that I recently got. I've only used it one time, and I use it like at work, but I might start wearing it around the house so I can just, if I'm gonna be a little bit chubby, I need it to be a cute chubby shape. So we're gonna shape it with this just so I'm more comfortable in my garments. I personally wouldn't wear this under a garment just because it feels bulky, and I like my stuff form-fitting, show a little bit of shape. But if you guys need any of that, bring your shapewear with you, because if you're not wearing like a two-piece or a crop top, you're not gonna see it. You can wear it under a dress or a jumpsuit, whatever the garment is designed for. So that. Everybody, do not forget your phone charger. If you have ever been in a fashion show, you know that you're there for a long time. You know that you're gonna watch YouTube and makeup videos and scroll on Instagram, Twitter, and Snap. So you may be the first person to get your hair and makeup done, and then you're sitting around for 4, maybe 5 hours until the show actually starts. This is a necessity. This is in everybody's makeup bag. Have a charger. And I bring my laptops with me since I started YouTube. So if you're a person who brings more than one electronic, make sure you have all your chargers. And a lot of times, depending on the venues, you need an outlet extender. Is that what's it called? An extension cord. Thank you. An extension cord. Because someone's gonna be mad at you if you have 4 or 5 things plugged up and they can't even plug their phone up, or they're trying to straighten their hair and all that good stuff. So bring an extension cord. You only need one outlet, and you can plug up all of your stuff that you need, and it's easy. You need it, okay? The last but not least item I have to show you guys are heels. Everybody, this is for everyone. This isn't just a certain show, certain type of show. You need a black pair of heels. This is simple. These are chunky. Sometimes I'm a little extra, and I carry, when I have my suitcase, I have a thick pair of heels, and I also have my stiletto heels. They're already packed for my model bag right now, so I can't show them to you, but they're just plain black. And these are just a plain pair of nude heels. You guys need a pair of nude just because sometimes the designer prefers their outfit to be walked with a nude. Like, let's say you're wearing a brown outfit, it might not go great with black, but it'll go just fine with nude because they're in the same color family. It's just a color theory thing. So make sure you have both of your heels. And I can't really think of anything else that's a necessity. This is the basics, and I think I'm just gonna list a few things that you might need that's different for each person. So let's get into that now. Okay, so just a few things that I recommend, but it's not required in your model bag, is a pair of slides, because who's gonna wear heels all day or in between scenes, walking around the venue, and afterwards when you're going home and drive yourself. So slides I recommend. An extra outfit, something comfy. Mine is usually just either a pullover and some sweats, or a pullover and leggings, because what I wear in, sometimes I wear out, but sometimes I'll come in from something else, like in this, just a cute top with some jeans, but at 11 and 12 at night, sometimes you don't want to put this back on. So a pullover and sweats is easy, especially if it's cold out. Like now, it's almost November here in Kentucky. It's almost November everywhere. Okay. It's almost winter here is what I meant. And baby wipes. This is not required, but I recommend them just because makeup accidents. Sometimes the bathroom won't have toilet paper. If you're sweating, you need to like blotch yourself. I just think that they're important. Like, they're just important. You should have some baby wipes if you sweat or might have a makeup mistake. I can't really think of anything else. If you guys can think of anything else you think we need, or that you guys personally use in your model bag, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you think I should try something, what I'm forgetting, yada yada yada. Basically, this is what you need to have a successful runway show. And there's so much more stuff that every girl needs to like be herself, you feel me? So let me guys know what you guys use, what you guys thought of the video. And if you guys do any videos like this, make sure you tag me in them so I can watch them and see what you guys have in your model bag. But thank you so much. That wraps it up for today, and I will see you guys next week.